All right, welcome back. It's time for today's three-stock lunch. And here with our trades, Mr. Michael Farr. He is president and CEO of Farr Miller in Washington, as well as chief market strategist at Hightower Advisor, and, of course, a CNBC contributor. Mike, welcome. All right, first up on your list is Chevron. Obviously, we heard a little bit from the CEO earlier today. The entire interview, by the way, cheap plug, is at cnbc.com/pro. And, Michael, you say buy Chevron.
I say bye, Chevron, Sully, and thanks for having me, and congratulations on this great show. Kelly, this is awesome. Yeah, Chevron's great, and it's a must-see interview on CNBC.com. You've got to watch it. Look, this is a 4.35% dividend. It is a fabulous balance sheet. Oil is sort of still towards the lower end of its trading range. If you believe in growth and GDP growth, anywhere around this 2.5% to 3% for 2025, I think these oil companies, as a safe dividend play, will be pretty good.
Michael, we don't have a lot of time, but let's mention AT&T, which had a really nice year last year, and Deutsche just named it a top pick for 2025. You like it?
No. I mean, okay, it's okay, Kelly. I mean, AT&T is fine.
It was up like
I can't see where the growth.
last year, and it has a dividend yield.
I know. So how do you buy it now? I mean, and you love the dividend. It's been great. AT&T's a stalwart. I don't have a problem with it as a whole. I can kind of do it, but I just can't see where they're going to come up with the big growth for this year.
All right, look, it's only up 27% over the year anyway, so what's that chump change?
Yeah, compared to Palantir, the hottest stock in all the S&P 500 last year, 340% gain. It's down a couple of percent this year. What do we do with Palantir, Michael?
Okay, if you all promise not to tell anybody. Promise not to tell. I have a confession.
Just between you and I.
I bought this stock in May. Just between us. There we go. I bought it in May in my personal account because my son, my brilliant son, Robert, says, Dad, I like this stock. You should buy some. I didn't buy enough, needless to say. I tripled my money in 6 months. I've sold 80% of my position, maybe more. That's a guesstimate, but it's about that. And I've kept some chips on the table to see, okay, what I've gotten all my money out plus plenty.
Yep.
I'm going to hang on and see what happens here. But I didn't buy it across the board. It was too risky.